Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, when you are getting to that point when you're about to burn the bridge between you and somebody that respects you, I'm talking about, of course, in Lagos, they will say, I've respected you enough, or I've respected you enough. Or so when somebody is saying I've respected you enough, or I've respected you enough, or then you know, of course, that you are now getting to that point where you are about to burn that bridge of respect. In Yoruba, we say lẹ́yìn àpọ́nlé àbùkù ló kàn. Lẹ́yìn àpọ́nlé àbùkù ló kàn, and that translates to mean after the praise and the respect, if you don't acknowledge that, then you get embarrassed. So with that, guys, I bring you this State of the Nation presidency blast Northern elders. So now they are now cannibalizing themselves, the Malamis. So again, the headline, State of the Nation presidency blasts Northern elders. So now let's now see what infighting is going on amongst the Malamis. So now let's get into it. The presidency has blasted the Northern Elders Forum (NEF) over a statement made by the group on the state of the nation. A statement issued in Abuja on Sunday by the special advisor to the president, media and publicity, Femi Adesina, described the chairman of the group and former vice chancellor of Ahmadu Bello University, Abu Zaria, Professor Ango Abdullahi, as a general without an army. The statement recalled that the Northern Elder had sided with another candidate during the 2019 presidential election, but were beaten together by President Muhammadu Buhari. According to the statement, Nigerians know the true state of things in the country and do not require what it said was a paper tiger to tell them. So now let's get into exactly what was said. The statement reads, Professor Ango Abdullahi on Sunday signed a long winding statement on many issues relating to the North and purportedly to the country. The former Vice Chancellor signed the statement under the banner of Northern Elders Forum (NEF). Reading that title, you would think the body was a conglomeration of true elders, but the truth is that NEF is just Ango Abdullahi, and Ango Abdullahi is NEF. It is a quasi-organization that boasts of no credible membership, and its leader is akin to a general without troops. Before the 2019 presidential election, the one-man army called NEF had shown its antipathy against President Muhammadu Buhari and its preference for another candidate. They all got beaten together. NEF is merely waving a flag that is at half-mast. President Buhari steadily and steadfastly focuses on the task of retooling Nigeria, and discerning Nigerians know the true state of the nation. They don't need a paper tiger to tell them anything. So now these are now heavy and weighted words, and these are of course statements coming from Femi Adesina. Now Femi Adesina off his own back would not make this statement, and he would definitely not go after Tanko or whatever his name, Ango Abdullahi, without the not just the tacit but the explicit consent of our President Muhammadu Buhari and the cabal. So this is President Muhammadu Buhari and the cabal saying to this guy Ango Abdullahi that you are talking too much, shut your mouth, nobody is interested, especially when you did not even back me in 2019, when you know full well that I have control of INEC and the judiciary, and if you are dumb enough not to read that writing on the wall, then you do not then have the cranial function to make any suggestions now that I will take seriously. So they are cannibalizing themselves is effectively what we are seeing now. The Malamis are eating their own flesh, but then of course that time would come when they would infight, because these people are led by some ego that has no substance in anything credible. So it's like a mindless ego and no real cranial function, and the result of course is what we are seeing playing out now. Come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. The Malamis are cannibalizing themselves. What says you? But before you come share thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns grey. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of what Mallam Buhari said to Ango Abdullahi in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join you in the comment section, but here I say peace.